Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you to all to yet another session of English worksheet number 32 dated 17 September 2020. Topic of today's worksheet is comprehension, that is extract is taken from the chapter 2 of First Flight, that is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Let us carefully read the extract. I will tell you the difficult words and their meanings and also tell you what the paragraph is all about. So, let us read the passage first. 10th May, dawn, bright and clear. For the past few days, I have been pleasantly besieged by the dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. Now let us take the difficult words also. Besieged. Besieged means invest or encompass or surrounded by armed force. And dignitary, what do you mean by dignitaries? Dignitaries means important high rank officials. And inauguration, what do you mean by inauguration? It is a process of swearing a person to the office. Fine. So what is said in between these lines? That is, it was a bright clear day morning, and at that morning there was a crowded inauguration ceremony is to be going to held, and there are various world class leaders and dignitaries were present there. So let us read further. Then the inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. The ceremony took place in a lovely sandstone amphitheatre formed by Union Buildings in Pretoria. So what he is saying, that inauguration ceremony of international world leaders in South Africa had never been held before. So the ceremony is taking place in it is a very lovely setup of Union Buildings that provide an amphitheatre in Pretoria. For decades, this has been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. What is he saying? That for decades means 10 years span. The time period is 10 years. So he is saying that for 10 years, decades, tens and tens of years, that is number of years are there, and the white supremacy, there was a dominance of white supremacy. White race was at the dominating place in this South African continent. So he is saying that now, because there is a new bright day which symbolizes which can be used as a metaphor, and which means that there is a new beginning of a new era in which there is no racial discrimination is going to be held, because it was a first democratic and non-racial government. Fine. So it means democratic means the government is for the people, by the people, of the people, and non-racial government means there is a no division or no discrimination, giving the post, higher post, or the ministers or officials are not being discriminated on base of race. So the government is mixed, not distinguished on the basis of race. Now let us come to the second passage. On the lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in first as first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and its people. Now the it was a dawn, bright, clear. But what type of days? What type of season was there? It was an autumn season, and Nelson Mandela was accompanied by his daughter Zinani. He was looking on the podium where Mr. De Klerk was sworn. Matlab he has taken the second deputy oath. He has sworn to the second deputy president and taken the oath for that post. Fine. And Thabo Mbeki has taken the oath for the first deputy president. Let us come to the third passage. We who were outlaws not so long ago has today been given the rare privilege to be the host to the nation of the world of our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession of the people of with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. What the writer wants to say is that outlaws means they are not entertained or they are not given any privilege. They are outcast by the society. Why they were outcast by the society? Because they were black. So he is saying that we, the people, the whole citizens of the South Asian continent who are black in color or who are of black race are being given not so long ago we have been given the rare privilege. What do you mean by privilege? A special right or advantage given. What is the special right and advantage given to the outlaws? That they can vote, they have the democracy, they have now the power to speak up for themselves. Otherwise earlier they were oppressed by the white supremacy. This is written already here. Fine. Next. And they were witnessed. This whole event was witnessed by international guests. So it means that whole world now acknowledge South African countries or South African continent as a democratic country or democratic continent, because it has abolished or it has eradicated the division between the white supremacy of white people and oppression of the black people. Now let us read the next. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. What is this line about? Let us see the difficult words here. It is, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation means freedom or liberation. Political liberation means that they have a power for legislation, they have a power to make laws in benefit of or in the advantage of black people also now, because otherwise they were oppressed by the white race. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the country bondage and poverty. Bondage means they were oppressed by or they were in slavery.